Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to fix the Instagram error that says couldn't refresh feed. So if Instagram isn't loading the latest post or your feed keeps failing to refresh, don't worry, I'll show you how to fix that. First, open the settings app on your phone. Once you're there, turn on airplane mode, just like so. So leave it enabled for about 10 seconds, then switch it back off. This quickly refreshes your phone's connection and can often solve temporary network glitches. Next, tap on Wi Fi and make sure you're connected to a stable network. Then go back to Instagram and see if that works. Now, if Instagram still isn't refreshing properly, try switching networks. So go back to settings, go to Wi Fi and turn off Wi Fi, and use your mobile data instead. Or you can reconnect to a different Wi Fi network if available. Sometimes the issue is simply caused by a weak or unstable internet connection. After that, head back to the main settings page, scroll down to General. From there, look for VPN and device management, tap on it. If you have a VPN enabled, disconnect it. So, VPNs can sometimes interfere with Instagram servers and prevent your feed from loading correctly. Once you've confirmed the VPN is disabled, return to the main settings menu. Now go back into General and select iPhone storage. Scroll down until you find Instagram and tap on it. Choose Offload App. Confirm by pressing Offload App again. So this removes the app temporarily while keeping your data and login information saved. So wait a few moments for the process to finish, then tap Reinstall app. So it will then reinstall Instagram. So as you can see, it's now installing. Just wait for it to finish. Now, once Instagram has been reinstalled, open it again and check if your feed is refreshing normally. In many cases, this fixes the problem immediately. If you're still seeing the error, there's one more method you can try. So open Settings app again, go to General, then scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Reset, then choose Reset Network Settings. So you'll need to enter your iPhone passcode to continue. So keep in mind that this will reset save Wi-Fi passwords and network-related settings, so you may need to reconnect to your Wi-Fi afterward. Once the reset is complete, restart your iPhone and open Instagram again and see if the issue has been fixed. And that's it. I hope that helps. Please like and subscribe.